Hello friends, my name is Ulrich James. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is a small article with my thoughts in it that everyone should know about. I am sure you will love it and want to share it with your friends. Newton's Law of Life. As I mentioned earlier, life is all about opposites. Nothing better to say than Newton's third law of motion. To every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction, meaning that action taken at the right time gives satisfaction than reaction at the wrong place and the wrong time. It does not support Newton's law, or for that, even the purpose of it in real life. This is also right in our day-to-day life. Let me explain. I have made a few informative videos and shared it with you all. Many of you may have agreed or disagreed with my ideas. Also that I wish that I could provide possible and immediate solution to this. However, my intention is very clear and need to make people aware as to what the current situation is. To change the future of the world or mind of the people is not in my hand. There are a few strong people who can stand up for a cause and fight for what is right. But even the ones who support him later on turn their backs to him, and for that it could be any reason. The ideas that I provide have an inner meaning that all may not understand, and that itself could be a possible solution. Even if I put that out directly in these videos, how many of you would actually try it out, or what would be the plan of action to it? Below are a couple of examples you may be aware of. China or Pakistan may attack India on the border. Videos and messages are posted by everyone who we know and even whom we do not know, and on each and every group and social media. I too feel that I should send all these messages and videos to all my friends who I know and even whom I do not know. I may have 100 odd friends and maybe 10 social groups with close to 10 to 25 members in each group. The number of messages and videos received by me or that I could send out to my friends would reach to a couple of hundreds, including duplicates. The question is, how would all these hundreds of messages help the armed forces or stop the attack of the Chinese or Pakistanis army on the border? Than posting these messages, the right action I feel would be to go on the war front and kill at least 1 or 2 enemy soldiers and live to tell the story or die in trying to do so. But at home, here we are all safe with our families. How would it help the Indian Jawans who are not even aware of what we are doing over here? The action of the Indian Armed Forces would be to take care of such attacks, ensuring that we people stay home and stay safe with our family during this pandemic. Would it actually be right for us to light candles at a particular time or bang plates and spoons together, making a noise and shout, "Go China, go," or "Go Pakistan, go, help"? Also that with China attacking India, we are flooded with messages from so-called educated and influential people to ban Chinese goods, failing to understand that the mobile phone that they are using and the app to spread these messages may be Chinese, but at least not Indian. What do we mean by Atmanirbhar India is a joke. Tell me at least one Indian item in the market that has quality. And if there is quality, does it have the quantity to be delivered to the millions of Indians who need it? Also, would it actually be affordable for every Indian who actually has a need for it? When we post messages on social media, we think that we are educated, but we ourselves do not understand the meaning of that message. We think that we have done our job by posting it. but we need to be an example of that message or be a part of that message in action. What we need is action at the right time with appreciation than unwanted reaction at the wrong time. आज़ादी का मतलब समझो. Please like, share and subscribe to make your day. Thank you.